So, mag-start na ta.
Sure, why not?
So, good evening sa tanan. So, before we get started, would it be alright with you if we recorded our interview, sir? Okay.
Dili mag-start.
Again,
Wala na sa Australia, wala may dili may diri ga-address og sir, Mr. o kuan. Just call me by the name like James or Kyle.
James Kyle.
Yep, sure, why not?
So, again, good evening everyone, especially to James Kyle Poncardas. Good evening.
Good
So,
evening.
Thank you for taking the time to speak with us tonight. First, we would like to introduce ourselves. I am Melindy Tab.
I am Noren. I am Noren Marcos po.
I am Aya Chambi Batohinog.
Batog Minaw. I am Jesper Riponda. And I am Canper Tungal.
So, we're students from ASCAT, Agusan del Sur State College of Agriculture and Technology, taking BSc or Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. So, we are conducting this interview to gain a deeper understanding of how people from different culture communicate. We'd like to hear about your experiences navigating cultural differences and the challenges you face. But first, could you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. Okay, sure, why not? Isaba. Yeah. Okay. Guys, I'm James Kelsey Poncardas. As usual, yeah. I'm a Filipino. And dihapod ko nag-eskwela sa uh, FSUU, my first college and secondary college in nursing, bachelor science in nursing. And I moved in different school in third year college in Butuan Doctors Colleges. If you know, I don't know if you know. Um, nag-decide ko, it's okay ha, na nag-multi-language lang ko. Pag third year na ako college is nakahuman ko third college, then nag-cross country ko in Australia in fourth year college. Since it's not amenable in here in Australia, na ang imong mga units on all of your subjects, cause Pilipinas, we have um, too much subject na dili kinahanglan. Nag-study ko dire as a student. I'm a student visa here, which is a student here in Australia. I have only 3 years here studying for Bachelor in Science in Nursing also, and certificate for of aged care. Specifically, aged care certificate for aging. Yes. I'm 22 years old, and yeah, I'm single. Maybe that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us, James. So, nalang may kani 5 ka questions para sa imo ha. So,
Sure.
we'd appreciate it if you could share your honest thoughts and experiences. So, to start, can you describe an experience where you had to navigate cultural differences in communication?
Communication. Yes. Before I answer that question, can I have all of your opinion, all of your classmates' opinion? Um, what is the most what is your what is it expectation of language here in Australia? Can we start with Aya Charm? Yeah. Expectation here in Australia.
Magbisaya lang ko so.
Sure, may problema.
My expectation sa Australia,
Language.
siguro isod ang trabaho.
Okay.
First thing mo anak na dira,
Okay.
halubilo.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, next, Noreen, can I hear your opinion about Australia, about the language?
So, sa ako opinion po sa Australia, Kyle is same kay Aya. Lisod jud siya makighalubilo labaw na og kanang dili gali ka extra sabaan kay syempre lisod jud makighalubilo sa tao pag wala ka sa imong comfort zone gali.
Yeah, thank you. Ken Bert, can I hear your opinion about
About
Australia?
Australia pues opinion is kaning more like kaning di ba English accent and Australian accent kanang lahi ra kayo. So yung more of mas mas hasa or mas anad sa English accent siguro mas lisod maki-communicate sa Australia because of the accent.
Yeah, thank you. Queen, can I hear your opinion?
Um, na-respect ko nga ang language dira sa Australia is English. And just like here in Philippines, more kaning naagya po other language like sa Cebuano, Bisaya, mga Ilocano,
Okay. Yeah. Jasper, can I hear your opinion about Australia?
Akong kuan expectation sa Australia based sa language kay marag lisod dito kung banyaga ka marag lisod siya mag-communicate especially kung dili ka hasa sa English.
Yeah. Actually, guys, you answer it all. I think. What I expected in communication here in Australia. Well, let me share you my experience day one here in Australia. When I came here, when I landed here in Tullamarine, which is the airport in Melbourne. Um,
Inyong tingog.
mahadlo ko mo para og taxi tungod kay sa ingon pa ni Norin of ni Kenbert sa inyo tanan na tungod di lisod ihalubilo wala ka sa comfort zone and actually gikaon lang nila ang ilahang accent. Yes, ginakaon nila ang accent. Like they have many of acronyms and things na itawag nila sa isa kabutang like example like McDonald's ato is Macas elaha. Macas. Yeah, it's Macas here. Like but daghan pa sila yung mga acronyms and all then um actually in a language this is not British and United Kingdom. Actually there is the way they speak there is a British accent to it, but it is solely, I can say it is solely Australian since nagstorya sila, nagid sa ilang kaugalingon na how they put it na iana gyud Australian gyud siya. Imo gyud silang identify na Australian gyud ni siya tungod kay how they speak, how they speak and everything in they speak it's Australian. Lahi na sa British. It's British is like baog. Ang diri na sa pagkabaog pero gikaon na lang words. Yep. Yeah, that's very true. Yeah, that's all. Queen is not
So, sa next question, sir, or Kyle, is what are some common challenges you face when interacting with people from different cultural background?
yeah, interacting with people. Yeah, mag-pick ko isa ano kay pangutan isa man yung pangutan. Okay, si Aya Charm. Aya Charm. What do you if you are an international student, how you communicate with the Australian people? What do you think? Just you think. Just your opinion.
Siguro, first, i-announce anak ko sila, then, okay. Tapos, comfortable na ako sa ila, then, murag, okay, makakommunicate din sila tarong.
Okay. Let me share about you. How do I communicate in Australia? Well, since do you know what is short? What is it? Short communication. Queen, how do you say if you're short communication? Just like approaching anyone, how do you say it?
Ay kaning I think mo ba nang kuan niya kaning sa
Like
kaning
mayon kanang ikaw mag-open up ka nang mag-open up ka like mo tagad kasi sa katao. Unsaon nimo pagtagad ang Australian? Yeah, don't be scared. Don't be scared.
kaning say hi lang ana then
Yeah. Ito pa.
sa iyang name like asa siya nagpuyo unsa pila niya edad something ana sa iyang
Yeah.
hobbies.
Yeah. That's your opinion, but based on my experience here in Australia, since the people here is nice, the culture is here is nice, and everything is here is nice. Excuse me. And how do you really approach Australia? It's not like that. It's not how you know their names. How do you know? Just like how you gonna tell them like, "Hoy," no, because we Bisaya like we say like "Hoy," like "Hi day," like that. Like "Hi," no, it's like a random murag weird na sa ilaha. How do you say it? Like it's like "How are you?" Yeah, like that. "How are you?" Just like that. Like she's gonna reply like, "Good, thank you. How about you?" Just like a normal conversation, but you cannot approach Australian easily because they're stranger and we don't have the same culture in the Philippines that we can connect to the people and everything we do in everyday life in the Philippines we can communicate everyone. We know our neighbors like that, 'di ba? Di ba Norin, 'di ba? May nganta silingan. Oy, silingan. Musta ka? Hi day. Um, having kag hi Kent. Kumusta man ka? No, it's not like that. Minsan ikaw po protective kasi mo gulingon tungod kay naka sa foreign land. Like alienated ka dire since gamay ra ang imuhang circle of friends. Actually, buenas na kag makita kag circle of friends dire tungod kay it's not isolated but it's hard to communicate to other nationality. Here in Melbourne it's not just Australian here. We have it's like 60% Filipino, 60% Asian, like 20% European and I think 20% Australian. And not all Australian are good. Napos sila racism tungod kay kita man ani sila ha. Dili ta parehas lang dagway how they speak, how do we act, how do we share everything that's in our head. Di ta makasulti ana kay tungod sa tuwa, di ba? Natay purok, atong purok murag makatapok-tapok na usahay, makachismis ta. No. Here in Australia is um the first thing we do in the day like wake up, kaon, breakfast. Actually, dili na ko breakfast, ka coffee na lang yun ko. Ang tao dire, way makita nimo na tao dire naglakaw-lakaw, walay nagpet-pet o kanang manok. Walay yes, wala jud na. Kay makita dire na like isda mo dire tag 120 na lang ang kilo. No, I miss that. I miss that voice. I really miss that voice. Dire walay Jollibee, walay mainasal, shucks, wala like yan na sa tuan natin gathering small gathering now diri like they don't have festa and everything mingaw jud bisin pa og diri sa streets ang makita lang nimo sa street is like wild animals kangaroo like like that spider big spiders and everything yeah na siya Australia is not easy to it's not easy to communicate but the people is good here and maybe we have our difference, but you can connect to the people if you want to, but short, yeah, just use your just short communication. Because busy ang tao dere. Busy jud ang tao dere. Walay free time. Free time is matulog. Yeah,
Additional question, sir, is nabay
sure.
communication barrier, sir, pag kanang mag-open up ka sa other students dira and naabay
Um,
kalisod.
Yeah, Noreen, just don't call me sir or mister. We don't call here. Ako ra mong gi-immerse sa Australia. One day, what a kabalo, masig makita dito sa Australia, you know? Mas tao dito is gusto na sila like, we have barrier like may ngunta na sa workplace, ako manager, so entitled ko na tagaan ko niya mag-respect. No, it's American thing. Here in Australia, you just call him George. Yeah, you can call me, even your manager just call George, even your teacher. Hey, Noreen. Hey, Jasper. You know, yeah, just like that. You can, dili ka makaingon na, sir, no, they don't do that. Ma'am, don't do that. It's like, mura ka og ka ng outsider sa kayo or stranger sa kayo. Since you have your same workplace, namo sa same team, you can address them like your, I think your, not your close friends, but as your staff. Communication barriers. Yeah, we have a communication barriers in school actually because as I said earlier, we don't have. It's not Australia only. Also, only Australian here in the Australia. We have Chinese here, Japanese, actually there are Asians na dili kay sila fluent mag-English like Cambodian in sorry to tell you but yan na jud like Indian, Thailand, Cambodian nagit sila yung mga listen siya i-communicate tungod kay dili ka kabalo ug sa ni mo pagsabot, then little English lang gid kay one which you should respect. You should respect. Don't laugh. Yeah, in the Philippines we laugh. That's why, you know, di ba? Pag magkamali ang isa, may ngonta makatata. No, it's very rude. Instead, you help her. You help him. Yep, that's it. Australia is a free country, freer than the Philippines.
Kay kay Jam, maot
Nope.
po to akong
Yeah,
question is
no
next po
problem.
is
Anytime.
kinsay next mag-question
So
please?
our next is James. James.
Gems.
James.
Yeah, thank you.
How has living and studying in a different country influenced your communication style?
Say again, pardon? Sorry.
How has living and studying in a different country influenced your communication style?
Communication style. Yeah. Communication style here in Australia, ma-adapt mo siya, like small talk. Yeah, you will adapt it. Like, it's just passing each other, like, mag-ana lang mo, mag-ana lang mo. It's not obligated, but as a people here, it's like as a respect na maingon ka, like, how are you? And how they speak, how they, what is it called again? It's their, how we speak in their language in English, ma-adapt nimo like, because like no, instead of no, like ner, ner, ner. Sorry, yeah, yeah. Instead of, magkatawa ko, instead of like that, like instead of imuha siyang stick ka sa as a US because US introduced us their language and their accent. So we have this English US accent. So if you're here in Australia, sure ball, Bisaya kayo. Sure ball, oo, imuha dyan ang haom, sige, okay. If haom pud di mo og how you speak, how you communicate here on Australia, and also the lifestyle. The food here is shit. It's not good. It's not the same in the Philippines. You know, ang pipit tao diri it's like nahadlok sa spices. Hadlok sila og ganang colorings like we have this caldereta, we have this curry. Yeah, mahadlok sila na tungod kay they don't know why what we put in there because as Asian we have a strong sense of spices. Here in Australia, very bland. The lifestyle is very bland. No, the food here is very bland. And lonely ka dire. Pangutan ako ka, Ken, ganong lonely ang tao dire. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Why ngano ang tao dire is miserable, lonely, ngano man?
Kasi ingon pa naman ganiha yan na wala kay tao gagawas, wala kay kuan.
Yeah.
Sila nga
Yeah.
kuan.
Exactly, precisely. Sa ato man jud dira is like even we are in home, pwede ta mo kagawas like free ta. Ano ta sa to ang silingan like unsa may mga gibuhat day? Bay, unsa day mo gibuhat bay? Unsa atong gama aron, di ba? Nga na biya ta, maahamon ta mo laag. Mag window shopping guro ta. No, we don't have that we don't have changi here. Na ang dagko diri is like ang dagko lang gigay diri is biskin magkumpra ko o magkumpra ko konsumo. Nadyo ko sa mall na isod lonely kay tao diri kay amo ang routine sa trabaho ko diri is like eskwela, trabaho, tulog, kaon. Yan lang. Yan na to, nakay kwarta pero laay. Sorry about that. Laay kay diri since kay murag naan pud guro ta sa culture sa Pilipinas na heartwarming, yeah. Filipino. Yeah, resume na lang nako. Okay. As I said, sorry about the disruption. As I said, Filipinos is heartwarming and sociable people. Like open na kayo sa tag isa't isa, hindi pareha diri nga they don't care about their neighbor. Bisin pag mamatay, babaho, guro ka sa inyong balay. Ma-report ka if like 24 hours or 3 days, guro ka nawala sa inyo. Wala na kayo report sa trabaho like that. Yeah, that's all.
So, thank you for that answer, James. For the next question, what strategies do you use to adapt to different cultural norms in conversations?
Oh. Murag yun, mas Miss Universe ang iyahang ko, ano? Iyahang feedback, okay? What is my strategies? As I said, there is no really strategies in here. It's just like common sense. Listen po, you don't need to think hard to suit or mahilabilo or makikuan ka sa uban. It's what you see, is what you get. Listen po, di ba? Do you agree, guys? Yeah, right, Aya, yeah, right, Charm, right? It's what you see, is what you get. Yes, you don't need strategies, actually. It's not a strategy, it's just like the common sense. It's what you see, is what you get. Kung unsa, like, unsa man nimo na, unsa pa may imong hunahon if muna imong nakita. Yes, makigkuan ka, makighalubilo ka sa ilaha, but in Australian way. It's not in the Philippine way. Limited ang imong istorya. They don't care about your life. Don't talk about your money and everything. They don't care about what your interest and everything since you're not best friends. Yes. Don't share that with them. Yeah, besides if mangutana sila. It's like a common question here. It's like, where you from? Like, actually, I'm Filipino. But instead, they call me, no, you're from Thailand or Indonesia. Yeah, Filipino can have many faces because we're crossbreed. Yeah, because of our history. Yeah, yun ang ako sila. Nga na, like, may nabitay mingon na, how much your job pays you like that. It's not really obligated na like musulti ka sila for your own safety and everything. You can say just it's a very personal thing. I cannot say that I can say about that, but I can say that my job is that is this is where I work. But you cannot say that, oh, I live here, I work, this is my home, this is my address. No, here in Australia, ang friend lang yun ni Magari is yourself. Yes, even though there is a lot of Filipino here, but they can drag you down. I very told you that. Let me warn you ahead if you plan to go to other countries. Don't share your personal things, your interests, your home address, and everything. And strategies in adapting in here in lifestyle. Well, you don't have any choice but to accept, because since you're here, you're willing to have the opportunities than the lifestyle, right? Am I right? Do you, yeah, yeah. And actually, if iana ilang pagkaon, since iana ilang pagkaon, instead of racism, instead na negative impact yung isulti, like, ingon lang ta na, yeah, we have our different culture. Since we're Asian and they're Australian, they're they're also part of US. Yeah, that's different. Now it's just different location, right? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank So for the last question, can you share an example of positive intercultural interaction and what made it possible?
Pardon, I didn't hear you clearly.
Ano po? Can you share an example of positive intercultural interaction and what made it successful?
Intercultural communication. Yeah, what I said, yeah, intercultural, right? Yeah, intercultural, like what I said. Yeah, you can just approach them like, "How are you?" Just small talk. Don't share all your things, your important things in life, because they don't give a shit about that. Sorry, let's censor that. Yeah, they don't give. Yeah, they don't give a damn about that. It's your life. Well, in the Philippines, yeah, we share everything in our friends. That's why we backstab easily. Yeah, that's a very true, right? Even our boyfriends and everything, and our weaknesses and positives in our life, we share. Am I right? Yeah, even the darkest experience in life. Yeah, we share, right? In our friends. Sometimes our friends, we can tell that, oh, she's not a very good friend because she tell about that like that. I trusted her like that. But it's too late already because you still heard about her. You don't give a damn. It's the same here. Don't give your information and everything. No. Just, yeah, name your own business. If you can find a person that you're really trusted to, well, even though you trust them, don't let your guard down. Just tell them the minor things and everything. Maybe they can ask you like, what's your father's name, like that. Where do you live in the Philippines? Since they can't go in the Philippines, they're here in Australia. Yeah, and just instead of what possible that I communicate or intercommunicate in Australia, instead I give you a warning. Here in Australia is very not safe to the people who have faint heart. Ako Bisayaon. Dili siya para sa tao diri na weak og heart. Weak og kasing-kasing. Tungod kay every time, everywhere, anything can happen. Yeah. Even your closest friend, even you cannot trust them since they didn't grow. Yeah, it's not your same blood. Everything can happen. Even they can drag you down. Maybe they can lift you up. Maybe if you can find the people who you can trust with, right? Surely mostly it's the seldom lang jud kay na siya moabot. Seldom na siya maabot na makita kag tao diri na um trustworthy. Since you seek opportunity here, yeah, it's the same opportunity they seek na drag down ka and they lift up themselves. It's the same in the Philippines. It's the same in the Philippines, but here is wala kay maduulan tungod kay ikaw lang sa imong kagalingon. So, what you can trust with is God. Firstly, God. Then you can trust yourself. Then don't share everything. Don't share all your sadness. Don't don't let them see that you're weak. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Even Filipino can drag you down. Even pa sa ato ang mga Pilipino natong kauban dire. Yes. Jealousy. So you can't. Instead, if you're here in, maybe if dili sa Australia, if you go to US, Canada, Hawaii, US, and what is unlad na mga country soon na mga adto mo, since namangguro may mga plano tungod kay tinuod, dako siyang sweldo diri tungod sa Pilipinas, but since you spend dollars also here, it's the same thing. But I give you advice, if you go there, no, don't share everything, because it happened to me like that. Kusog yata mo trust og tao, ha, di ba? Kusog ta mo trust og tao, biskin pag atong barkada mo trust ba yata, tinood di ba? Maingon ta na, huy day, unsa day imong trabaho, di ba? Ala ka, kagwapo ba diha, no? Okay, in the following day imo siya gipasulod. So staff na mo duha, like workmates na taraw mo, like that. Yes, na siya personal pod na mga maabot. Gusto siya kutahay, ikaw na naka sa mas higher hierarchy sa inyong trabahoan, like siya na pa siya sa ubos. So buhaton gina niya ang tanan na, you know, mas mo lift up kaya sa imuha, like buhaton yung tanan. You know what is tanan? Yeah, even the personal things. Yeah. Instead of interconnecting positive way how I do it, there is no really there is a positive way. Just do small talk, just small talk. Ayaw ipabutang imong kagalingon na mura og ka na bitaw isulti nimo tanan, no. Just believe in your guts. Sometimes your guts can save you, yeah. Instead, if na kay family, yeah, trust your family. Tungod ka dugo naman nimo. Pero og friends lang dire mo nagkaila. Pinoy mo bisin pagsilingan mo sa Pilipinas, no. Nanas lay mga kaugalingong mga goal in life, and they're ready to drag you down just to reach their goal.
So, thank you so much for sharing your insights with us. Your experiences are incredibly valuable to our understanding of intercultural communication. So, we really appreciate your time and willingness to participate in this interview.
Sure.
Thank you so much, Kuya.